calculate the margin of error E equal to Z sub alpha over 2 times sigma over the square root of n if the necessary requirements are satisfied. The confidence level is 95%. Now, if we think about that for a minute, if we have a 95% confidence level, that means that between these two spots, Z sub alpha over 2 and the opposite of Z sub alpha over 2, we'd have 95% of the distribution, which puts 0.025 of the distribution in each one of these tails. So we can find what the correct Z value is then using StatCrunch. So we'll go to StatCrunch. We'll go to calculators, normal, and we're going to make this thing match what we see in that picture over there. 0.025 in these tails. And I can do that either by just saying the probability that x is less than some amount is 0.025, and I'll get minus 1.96. So the opposite of Z sub alpha over 2 would be minus 1.96. Or I can do that by doing greater than whatever that Z value is 0.025. In other words, that 0.025 is up in this tail, and that Z value would be positive 1.96. But the whole point there is that Z here in the formula, Z sub alpha over 2 is 1.96. The other things that I need are sigma, which is 16, and n, which is 90. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to calculate E by going Z, 1.96, times sigma, that's 16, over the square root of 90. I'll just punch all that into my calculator. It says to round this thing to 3 decimal places as needed, and I'm going to find that the E is 3.306.